Hey guys, it's Ashley Peterson here with the Ashley Peterson team at Promo Realty, and I'm excited to be standing outside of 2626 St. Louis Road. This home is adorable and affordable. So in this home on the main level, you have 2 bedrooms, and then you have a full bathroom that has been updated. You also have a beautifully updated kitchen. Downstairs is unfinished, but you could easily turn one of the rooms downstairs into a 3rd bedroom. The backyard looks like a park. It's flat and it's huge. And then in the front yard, you have 2 beautiful shade trees. So I can't wait for you to take a look. Come on in, enjoy the tour.